Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change default PDF viewer on Windows. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to the folder that contains all of the PDFs and you're going to select one PDF and right click on that. After that, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to click on the one that says open with, and you'll be able to see all the PDF viewer options right in front of you. So you're going to click on choose another app over here, and the app that is on the top is the default app, and there are some other suggested apps. For example, if you want it to be Adobe Acrobat, you're going to click on it and you'll be able to see two options, always and just once. So if you want it to open in Adobe Acrobat all the time, you're going to click on always, and now all of the PDFs that you click on will be opened in Adobe Acrobat. So that is how you can change the default PDF viewer on Windows. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.